Now I am going to explain the concept degree of a polynomial. Okay, I know when you see the word degree, definitely your mind clicks the term temperature. Is it not? Similarly, if when you see the name word as degree of a polynomial, if your mind clicks the word power of a variable, then this concept will be very easily and clearly will be saved into your minds. Now let us go into the concept. Okay, I will explain this concept by using an example. Let the polynomial is given as 5x power 7 plus 6x power 4 plus some 3x power 2 plus 1. Okay, assume that this is a polynomial given for us to find the degree of a polynomial. When you see that they asked to find the degree of a polynomial, then immediately your eyes must look at the powers of the variable. Okay, when you see that they asked to find a degree of a polynomial, your eyes must immediately look at the powers of the variable. In this example, the powers of the variable are 7, 4, 2, 0. In the next step, we have to check which number is highest number among these numbers. If you observe, among these numbers, 7 is the highest number. Is it not? Then this is nothing but degree of a polynomial P of x equal to 7. 7 is nothing but it is the highest power of the variable x. Is it not? Where is the 7? It is the power of the variable x. It is nothing but the highest power of the variable x in the polynomial p of x. So, degree of a polynomial p of x is nothing but highest power of the variable x. So, I think it is clear. Degree of a if they ask the find degree of a polynomial means degree of a polynomial is nothing but it is the highest power of the variable in that polynomial. Okay. Now let us study the names which are given to the polynomials depending on the degree of a polynomial. That is, depending on the degree of a polynomial, some specific names are given to the polynomials. Let us study now. If degree of a polynomial is 0 and the polynomial is of the form p of x equal to 0, then that polynomial is called a zero polynomial. If degree of a polynomial is 0 and the polynomial is of the form p of x is equal to k, where k is some constant. Constant means it can be any number. Example, P of x equal to 4. It can be any number, any natural numbers. Okay, starting from natural numbers means it can be any number starting from 1, 2, 3, so on. Okay, so on up to infinity. If degree of a polynomial is 0 and the polynomial is of the form P of x is equal to constant k. K is nothing but a number. Okay. Then that polynomial is called constant polynomial. Okay. If degree of a polynomial is 1, and the polynomial is of the form, for example, if degree of a polynomial is 1, example, P of x is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, if degree of a polynomial is 1, for example, P of x is equal to 2x plus 3, then the algebraic expression of the polynomial will be of the form P of x equal to ax plus b, where a not equal to 0 and ab are constants. A not equal to 0, because I said in this algebraic expression we have mentioned a not equal to 0, because if you keep if there is a 0 in the place of a, then definitely this polynomial will be of the form P of x equal to b, is it not? Then this will become a constant polynomial. That is the reason why we have stated P of x is equal to ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. This polynomial, this algebraic expression, this general algebraic expression is given for, if you see any polynomial in this form of algebraic expression, then that polynomial is called linear polynomial. Then that polynomial is called linear polynomial. Degree of a polynomial is 2. Example, P of x is equal to sum 2x square minus 4x plus 1. Then the general algebraic expression of the polynomial will be P of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are constants and a not equal to 0, because if a is equal to 0, then this becomes a linear polynomial, is it not? So we have stated P of x is equal to ax square bx plus c, where a not equal to 0. Then this polynomial is called, then the algebraic expression of this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. If then this polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. If degree of a polynomial is equal to 3, for example, p of x equal to some 4x cube plus 2x square plus x minus 1. Then the general algebraic expression of the polynomial will be p of x equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a not equal to 0. A, B, C, D are constants. A, B, C, D are constants. Okay. Then this polynomial is called cubic polynomial. In general, to write the algebraic expression, we need quotient, variable and power, which I already explained in my last video. Okay, if you watch that video, then you will have an idea what is an algebraic expression and what is a polynomial. Okay, now let us come into the concept degree of a polynomial. If you want to write a general algebraic expression, okay, we must have in hands 3. What are those? Quotient, variable and a power. Okay. Let x be a variable. Okay. For power x, let us take the alphabet n. It can be any, that is, n is any natural number. Nothing but whole numbers. It can be any natural number, means it can be any whole number, as I explained in the last video. N is any natural number, means it can be any whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to infinity. Okay. Now, we should have quotients in our hand. Let us take quotients as a0, a1, so on up to an. Quotients are nothing but constants, is it not? Constants means it can be any number starting from 1, 2 or 0. It can be any real number. Okay. If you want to write a general form of the general expression of a polynomial in degree n, 3 should be in our hands. One is a variable, let it be x, and the other is a power, let it be n, and we should have quotients. Let a0, a1, so on up to an be the quotients. Okay. Now, if degree is n, then the general algebraic expression of the polynomial will be of the form p of x is equal to a0, an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1, so on up to a1x plus a0. If you observe this polynomial, see, if this becomes 0, does it make sense? Saying that it is a polynomial of degree n? No, right? Then it becomes a degree of polynomial n minus 1. So, we should write a condition stating that this is a degree of polynomial. For that reason, we will write an as not equal to 0. P of x is equal to an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1, so on up to a1 x plus a naught, where an is not equal to 0. So that our algebraic expression is for degree n. Okay, this is the general algebraic expression for a polynomial of degree n. Hope you have understood the concept of degree of polynomials and the types of polynomials depending on the degree of polynomial in this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos on more concepts. Thank you.